Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. These are some of the extra questions of class 9 maths. So the question is, if x plus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus 3x plus 5a, then find the value of a. For this you should do the 0 of x plus 2, so the answer will be minus 2. Now we will put this value on the expression. So minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus 2 plus 5 into a is equal to 0. Minus 2 cube is minus 8, minus 3 into minus 2 is 6, and 5a is equal to 0. We are not putting anything on the place of a because we don't know the value. So minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2 plus 5a is equal to 0. 2 will go on the other side, it will become 2. Minus 2 will go on the other side, it will become 2. So the value of a is 2 by 5. Next question is, radius of sphere is 2r, its volume will be. So the volume of sphere, we know that it is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the radius is 2r, which is given. So we just need to put the radius on the r. So 4 by 3 pi into 2r cube. So the answer will be 32 pi r by 3. I hope you all like the video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you all.